Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarge. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hey, it's early in the morning. It's around 5:30. Got my kayak already set up. We're heading out back to Iowa. Pool 9 today, so stay tuned, guys. You can catch some pike and bass.
It's nice when the wind's blowing me upstream. That's what I'm talking about.
Pretty shallow here.
Yeah. Oh, he's got it. Oh. I didn't even know, dude. But my thing was all these fish are jumping out of the water. And he was swimming with it. I had no idea. Oh, he's fat. That was so crazy. The little minnows were all jumping out of the water, and I was like, what the heck's going on? It's not even chattering. All right, there we go. Yeah, this will be fun to get out. Again. Yeah. But I'm telling you, dude, he just sort of swallowed it. And the fish, these little minnows right here were jumping out of the water, and I was like, that's weird.
Right there. Right next to the log. Right here. He came up. He hit it, he got it. Got him. Oh, that's a nice bass. That's a nice bass, guys. Nice bass. There you go. Look at that. He's got a fish in his mouth. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yep, he's got a fish in his mouth. There you go, guys. Nice one. Just let him go. Alright. I didn't want to hit it at first. I didn't want it really slow. So that's what we're going to do. Good start, good start.
Got him. They're not both pike that I've caught today, I've caught right next to my boat. They've had the lure in their mouth, and then you just sort of set it at the last second. They're not biting it, they're just sort of taking it in their mouth. But they've been hitting the chatterbait, jackhammer. Big bass. Nice. That's on here. Yeah. Nice bass. There we go. Good fish. There we go. One thing I like to throw the chatterbait down here when we fish the Mississippi because, you know, multi-species. You know, the pike love it, the bass love it. You know, they kind of live in the same environment. Right here, I'm in the middle of a dying lily pad area. It's a good spot though, like I said, that river, there's a, not a river, there's a channel that flows right into here. It just kind of pushes those bait fish right into these lily pads, so provide some ambush points. Got it. The little one.
That's a bass. Something was following it. It's a nice bass. Little one, little guy. Yeah, he took it though. I didn't feel him too. So that's one right there. Nice little bass. Just let him go. Dink. Rink-a-dink-dink. Let's go back to the other side. There's a bass. The walleye? That's a pike. That's a pike. That pike. So we got him. There you go, guys. It's a fat one. Whew. Just let him go. He's probably tired already. There you go. Oh, that slime, man. It's just crazy. These are my what do you call this? Ice fishing gloves. But it looks like water's going in now, so I might have to get a new one. It's gonna be my third set. But that was a nice size pike, guys. Gave me a little bit of trouble, not that bad. I just didn't want to grab the hook, then he flop around. I got cut a couple of times already. So, but anyways, we're gonna just clean up our area, reset, guys, and catch you guys in a little bit. So we got the KVD 2.5 crankbait. Oh, it came off. Oh no, we don't have the KVD. Shoot, we have this one. It's a 6 cents. I'm tripping. 6 cents, like a 1.5 version. It's a little bit smaller, but they love this one. I have a bigger one of this, which is like a Cloud 9, but we haven't used that yet. I'm just gonna keep on throwing this one for now since it's working. But like I said, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Let me just clean up. You know, it's all messy right now, so catch you guys in a little bit. Yeah, somebody screamed, so I didn't really hear it that clearly, but I thought somebody needed help or something, so I kind of paddled all the way over here, try to figure out where it was. I saw somebody there, and I asked. I was yelling hello for a while, and then they replied, "Y'all need help?" They're like, "No." So, oh, that's good. That's good. Kind of scared for a moment. Never know. If I yell, hopefully somebody will come and help me. Let's just go slow again. another pike. Another one right there, a small one. Let's let him go. Thanks, buddy. Oh, nice bass. Not big, but there you go. Get a small one. What is it? Pike? Oh, I don't think. Got him on a tail. Right there. Snagged him. What are the chances? Nice size right there. Craggy too. Let him go. Thanks, buddy. I think when he hit it, he turned around, and then when I yanked it, I got him on the tail. Woo! What is this? Another pike. It's another pike. This is a nicer one. This is a nicer one. This is a nice one. Oh man. Alright. Man, he's fat. This guy's fat. Did I snag him again? I snagged him again. Man, I keep on snagging these things. Yep, snagged him. Right there, guys. Woo, nice one. Just let him go. Just let him go. Right there. It's a nice fish. Just let him go. It's a fat one. There you go. Nice one. It's two of them I snagged. I didn't actually catch them in the mouth. What are the chances, you know? But, hey, we catching them. We catching them. We catch them, hook them in the mouth, stomach, tail, whatever. We catching them, guys. Let me just organize again, man. Let's paddle to the other side. Work our way around again. Oh, another pike finally. That's a nice size one. Nice size. That was a fat one. Golly. Came off the hook already, so we're gonna grab him. There you go. It's a nice size right there. Yeah, it's healthy. Let's put him back. You can go, buddy. Thanks, buddy, thanks. Got him. Probably the heaviest one so far that we got. Took him a while though to get him off, you know, because I have the treble hook right there, and I just don't want to get hooked on it. It's gonna hurt. So KVD did the trick again. It's doing its thing, so I'm pretty sure there's more right here. It's just hopefully we catch a bigger one. That was a bigger one. That was a way bigger one. That was a way bigger one. Oh my god. That was a way bigger one. That's what I wanted right there. but he missed. He missed. That looked like it was like a 38.
Got a bass. Looks like a pike tried to eat his tail. Oh yeah. Fatty dude. Yeah. What? Oh, I can't let this get away. Oh, dude. Nice. And he's beautiful. I don't have a thing. Come here, bud. Oh, yeah. I mean, he's not gigantic, but he's thick. Come here. Oh, yeah. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh, yeah. See? All right. That, huh? Yeah, he's fat. Plus, I don't have my damn things on me. Gonna weigh it? Yep. There we go. Big old guy. Thanks, bud.